from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Police make an arrest in a fatal hit-and-run incident. And how healthy is Henrico County? We'll tell you in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, April 28, 2022. It's brought to you today by the Barnes & Deal Law Firm.
And now for the news.
When it comes to overall population health, Henrico County ranks among the top localities in Virginia, according to a new national report that was released yesterday. The county ranks 26th among Virginia's 133 localities, according to the County Health Rankings that's published annually by the University of Wisconsin Population Health Institute. The study examines a variety of data, including length and quality of life, health behaviors, clinical care, social and economic factors, and physical environment. The county ranked especially high relative to others in the state in access to exercise opportunities, low teen birth rate, the number of primary care physicians per capita, and the percentage of residents with high school diplomas and some college experience. On the negative side, though, Henrico's incidence of sexually transmitted diseases was above the statewide average by about 100 per 100,000 residents. The county also matched the state average for adult smokers, 14% of its population, and fell just below the state average of 32% for its adult obesity level of 30%. Falls Church and Arlington were first and second in the state in overall health levels, while Petersburg ranked last. Locally, Hanover County was 15th, Powhatan County 16th, Chesterfield a spot behind Henrico at 27th, New Kent 36th, and Richmond 96th. Henrico Police yesterday announced that they had arrested a 24-year-old county woman in connection with the fatal hit-and-run incident in Henrico's near West End Tuesday that left a 61-year-old man dead. Sierra Hope Childress faces charges of not reporting an accident that involved a death, possession of a Schedule 1 or 2 drug, and driving while intoxicated, her second offense within 5 years. Several people sent in tips after the initial reports of the incident, according to police, and that helped them make the arrest. Richmond police officials also helped locate Childress. The victim in the crash, which occurred at about 9:20 a.m. on Tuesday near the intersection of Monument and Horsepen, was Thomas Sotos of Henrico. Henrico has a new director of recreation and parks. He is Patrick Nally, the former director of recreation, tourism, and cultural development for Amherst County, Virginia. He will replace longtime director Neil Luther, who left for the same job in Chesterfield County. As part of this move, the county also announced that 3 assistant directors would assume those new positions. All already are part of the agency. They're Torrance Archie Sr. and John Zanino, as well as Mariel McFarland, who was acting director. The longest-tenured principal in Eastern Henrico is retiring at the end of this year, Ted Derniak, and he will leave behind a legacy of turning around Title I schools. Ted Derniak has been a principal in Eastern Henrico for 17 years, most recently at Montrose Elementary since 2013. Prior to that, he was at Baker Elementary in Verina from 2005 to 2013. When Derniak took over at Montrose, it was one of the 2 worst performing elementary schools in the county, but within 5 years, he had helped it earn state accreditation by raising student standardized testing scores. Today on HenricoCitizen.com, our education reporter Anna Bryson takes a deeper look at Derniak's career and his methods for turning around these schools. You'll want to read that article right now by clicking News and then Education. Well, in an attempt to increase awareness about opioid overdoses, the Richmond and Henrico health districts have partnered with other local health districts to create the Metro Richmond Spike Alert, a system that will notify the general public when spikes in opioid overdoses occur. A spike may signify the presence of illegal or diverted prescription drugs in the community that are more potent or more likely to cause an overdose, according to officials. So informing citizens who may use them about a recent spike could help prevent injury or death. When spikes are observed, the agencies will issue an alert to those who have signed up by email, and they'll also send out the message to a broader community through social media. You can sign up to receive these notifications right now at rhhd.gov/spike alert. On Sunday, Henrico County public safety agencies will be conducting an emergency response exercise at Short Pump Town Center to assess their preparedness for an actual emergency. The full-scale drill is scheduled from 8 to 10 a.m. that day, an hour before the mall opens to the public at 11. So if you notice any police, fire, or other emergency personnel in the area, just know that that is what is happening. And today we're proud to announce that for the second year in a row, the Henrico Citizen has earned 6 awards in the Virginia Press Association's annual news and advertising contests. Winning entries were announced this week. It was our first time competing in the online category against all other digital publications in the state. Our managing editor, Patty Kraszewski, won first place in the feature writing category for a collection of 3 articles. I earned a second place award in the health, science, and environmental open category, competing against entries from all publications in the state, and second place in the general news writing category, as well as third in the breaking news writing category. And our education reporter, Anna Bryson, earned second and third place in the education writing category. Our congratulations to all of the winners in this year's contest, including a number from this region. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.